Does your AI content sound robotic? Gets flagged by AI detectors all the time? Doesn't rank on Google? I've been there, and it nearly cost me all of my clients. But then I found something different. It's called AI SEO. It might just be the game changer for content creators in 2025. The content creation struggle is real, and it's getting worse every single day. As someone who's been in the trenches of the digital marketing for years, I've witnessed the evolution of content demands firsthand. And what used to be acceptable 5 years ago now feels like amateur hour at the Apollo. Your audience expects more. Your clients demand faster turnarounds, and the competition never sleeps. Picture this scenario. This happens to every content creator everywhere. It's Monday morning, you're facing a mountain of content requests. Your clients need 3 blog posts, 5 social media campaigns, and 2 email sequences by Friday. You open your laptop, crack your knuckles, and then reality hits. Your brain feels like it's wrapped in cotton. Every sentence you write sounds like it was generated by a broken robot. Hours pass. You've written maybe 2 paragraphs and then deleted them, rewrite them, and then delete them again. The pressure is building, the headache and the frustration. Your reputation is on the line. Your income depends on delivering quality content consistently, but the well of creativity has completely run dry. This isn't just writer's block anymore. It's a career-threatening crisis that affects your mental health, your relationships, and your bank account. The financial impacts hit the hardest. When you can't produce content efficiently, you're literally losing money by the hour. The blog post that should have taken 2 hours stretches into 8-hour marathons. Your hour rate plummets from professional levels to minimum wage territories. Meanwhile, your competitors are somewhere pumping out content at lightning speed, stealing your clients and dominating search rankings, while you're still struggling with paragraph 1. But the psychological toll might be even worse. The constant pressure to be creative on demand creates a vicious cycle of anxiety and self-doubt. You start questioning your abilities, wondering if you've lost your edge to content creation. Imposter syndrome creeps in, whispering that maybe you're not cut out for this business after all. The joy you once felt from creating compelling content transforms into dread every time you see a new project notification pop up. The SEO landscape compounds these challenges exponentially. Search engines becoming more increasingly sophisticated, demanding content that's not just keyword optimized, but genuinely valuable, engaging, and comprehensive. You need to understand search intent, incorporate semantic keywords naturally, and create content that satisfies both algorithms and human readers. The technical requirements alone can be overwhelming. Even experienced professionals experience this. Here's the truth. Most AI writing tools give you a ton of content, but no clarity, no emotion, no soul. Worse, Google knows this. AI detectors flag your work, your rankings drop, your clients notice, and you're stuck rewriting everything from scratch. Here's where everything changes. Enter AI SEO, the artificial intelligence powered content creation platform that has revolutionized how professionals approach content marketing. This just isn't another writing tool. It's a complete content ecosystem designed specifically for marketers, SEO experts, content creators who demand both quality and efficiency. AI SEO leverages advanced natural language processing to understand your specific requirements and generate content that sounds authentically human. The platform analyzes millions of high-performing articles, blog posts, and marketing materials to understand what makes content truly effective. It doesn't just string words together, it creates strategic, purposeful content that drives results. The keyword research capabilities alone are worth the investment. AI SEO identifies long-tail keywords, semantic variations, and trending topics in your niche to automatically have you ranking. It suggests content angles you might have never considered, helping you discover untapped quality opportunities in your marketplace. The platform essentially becomes your personal SEO consultant, working around the clock to optimize your content strategies. What sets AI SEO apart is its understanding of different content types and their unique requirements. Whether you need persuasive sales copy, informative blog posts, engaging social media content, or technical documentation, the platform adapts its writing style accordingly. It understands that a LinkedIn post requires a different language than a product description, and it delivers accordingly. The time savings are staggering, absolutely staggering. Tasks that previously consumed entire afternoons are now taking minutes. You can generate multiple content variations, test different approaches, and refine your message without the traditional time investment. The efficiency doesn't just save time, it opens up entirely new revenue streams and opportunities for business growth. The results speak volumes about AI SEO effectiveness. Digital marketing agencies report 300% increase in their content output after implementing the platform. Teams went from struggling to meet client deadlines to taking on additional projects and expanding their service offerings. The quality remains consistently high while productivity soared to unprecedented levels. Freelance content strategists shared equally impressive results, increased their monthly income by 60% within 3 months of using AI SEO. The platform allowed him to take on more clients without sacrificing his quality or working excessive hours. His client satisfaction scores actually improved because he could deliver more comprehensive, well-researched content consistently. Enterprise SEO managers documented how their teams reduced content creation time by 75% while improving search rankings across multiple client accounts. The platform's SEO optimization features helped their content ranking higher and faster than traditional methods. Content retention improved dramatically as results became more predictable and impressive. The social proof extends beyond individual success stories. AI SEO maintains an average user rate of 4.8 stars across all the review platforms. Users consistently praise its intuitive interface, powerful features, and exceptional customer support. The platform processes millions of content requests monthly, demonstrating its readability and scalability. Industry publications have recognized AI SEO's innovation repeatedly. Content marketing institutes featured the platform in their annual technology review, highlighting its potential to transform content creation workflows. SEO industry leaders regularly recommend the platform in their strategy guidelines and their training materials. The transformation potential is undeniable. AI SEO doesn't just solve immediate content creation challenges, it fundamentally changes how you approach your entire content strategy. You'll think bigger, move faster, and deliver more value to your audience and clients. The platform becomes your creative partner in a sense, amplifying your expertise rather than just replacing it. So don't let another deadline stress you out or another opportunity slip away because of content creation bottlenecks. The link's below, and your content creation revolution starts now. Thanks for watching, team. Till next time, stay safe and stay what? Dangerous.